So I say, well, the song should sound good when delivered. Don't exaggerate. Hello, there is something that you should not do if you are selling on Fiverr. This is an example, a bad example, that I order a song. I want the music and the song, a rap song. So I contacted this vendor on Fiverr just to be sure that he can produce the song as well, not only the lyrics. And he told me, okay, this is another job, so you need to pay more. I say, okay, do me a custom quote for a rap song with the music. So he sent me a quote. So it's in euro, so it's about $200 to have the music and the song, the singer. And that's it. I just want this. I order already several musics and song like the same. Not from him, but okay, no problem. I pay and I get a song, a music and singing. And so I paid the code, special code, custom code for this. Then in my requirement, I said, if you have any question, anything, just ask me now, and I will reply as soon as possible. And then comes the time to deliver, so 1 week after the order, and he contact me, and then he asked me questions. One quick question: were you looking to have the song mixed and mastered by me as well, or were you okay with the raw reference track and lyrics? So I don't understand what he means. I'm not a musician, so I say what. So and he delivers some files, MP3 file, and he says blah blah blah. I can have the song mastered, and I typically add a charge of $100. But because it's the first time you order from me, I can do it $80. So what are you talking about? So I ask, what do you mean by this? And can you tell me what means mixed and mastered? I want a rap song, so music and singing. What is the thing you mentioned? And then a big mistake, another big mistake. Say something to make the song sound radio ready. Basically, someone adds special effect to enhance the overall sound quality. So I say, well, the song should sound good when delivered. Don't exaggerate. And he say blah blah blah. But it's not my default package, but this is not default package. It's a custom code I ordered. Sorry, in the conclusion, let me know if I can better explain anything. No, but you made the mistake already. Now, when I'm listening to the song, I said to myself, okay, this is not enhanced sound quality. So this devaluate what you deliver because you say, oh, but if you want a good sound quality, you have to pay more. So this is a mistake you do. In marketing, there is something called bump or order or even upsell. Those are okay because as soon as the person buys, you or even before he pays, you offer to bump the order to add something, and then it will cost more. Or when he just paid, you can say, oh wait, now that you are paying, maybe you want something more. Okay, but this was when I ordered, when I was paying, not when you deliver the product. Because imagine if you do that for a service like a website, and when you deliver, here is your website. Now, if you want it to look good, to look really good, then you have to pay me more. So it means that what I paid already was a dirty website. What do you mean? So this is really bad marketing. Even if now you can tell me yes, mastered, you should know what it means and it's another service. Okay, but don't do it like this because now after I said, well, you had 10 days to ask me that. Uh, Now you, well, I say exactly what I said. Now you tell me I need to pay 80. I'm not accepting this, so I wanted to cancel everything. Then finally I accepted and I put a bad review on this gig. I accepted because I don't care. In fact, if he just give me this file and doesn't say this, like when I order from other people, they give me this. If there is no mistake in the song, I accept it and then I use it. But if you tell me, oh, you need to pay more to have good sound quality, then never, nobody talk to me about this. That if I want good sound quality, I should pay more. Maybe if they want to that I pay something more, they will say it before starting the work. Once I paid, maybe they will say, oh, you know, I have an option here. If you want 1 minute more or something, you can pay. I say, okay, no, thank you, or okay, I take it at the moment, you know, not at delivery time. So that's the mistake that you should not do. Is when you deliver your work. And if people are not happy about your work, okay, but don't give them a reason to to have a doubt in their mind about what you just delivered. It's really a bad feeling that I get. But if you didn't say anything about it, I would have a normal feeling. I would have accepted, because there's no mistake in the song. I would have accepted. It's okay. Nothing exceptional, but it's okay. It's a rap song, and I would have given a good review, like in the past, what I did with others. So he made the mistake. You know, it's a very big mistake to do. Don't do that. You know, don't talk about something for specialists and talk about some money with the cheap attempt to say, oh, normally, usually I charge 100, but I do it 80 for you because blah blah blah. No, no, no. This is not the good time to do it. It was before, or maybe later, you know, and after I accepted this delivery, you can contact me by message saying, you know, I do also mastering, blah blah blah, so I can improve your song if you want. You know, this would be better. At least I would have accepted and waited accordingly, not put me the doubt before I accept the delivery. You know, this is a really stupid move from him, even if it's honest or I don't know what, but not good at all. Okay, that's it. Bye bye.